My name is Arno Gutleb and I work at the Luxembourg Institute of Science and Technology.
I am a toxicologist by training, and we are developing cell culture models to replace animal experiments. Recently we incorporated a spin-off from LIST, Invitrolize, that will commercialize the available in vitro models that we have developed in our group. These in vitro models allow industry to test their new products, their new chemicals, new drugs for respiratory sensitization, which is a big problem for industry. You probably all know people that have asthma upon inhalation of certain chemicals. You know people that are inhaling pollen and are allergic, and for these natural or man-made chemicals and products we can predict whether they are respiratory sensitizers. We had a JUMP project financed by the FNR to develop our model closer to the market to reach a high TRL level, which was successfully done. We use our current technology in several European Union funded projects. We do use these in collaborations with private industrial partners such as PMI, Evonik, etc. We use it with non-governmental organizations in animal welfare, and we do have clients already outside of Europe. Luxembourg is a very good place for scientists. The equipment here is world class, and there is money to do research, and I can only recommend people to see whether there is not a future for their specific research interest in Luxembourg.